up? We're back again to work on this broken LS. Last time we were here with David and we got the engine out and realized that we had some issues. These bearings are found all over the motor, found them in the pan. Not good. So we kind of saw what was going on. There was 2 that were bad out of 8. So I decided I am going to have an engine builder do it. So for that, I'm going to strip it down to a short block, get the heads off, get the accessories off, get things cleaned, and then pop the pan back on so I can transfer it. Today we also are going to work on cleaning the engine bay, pulling out the subframe and everything. So here we go. Alright, welcome back. Back working on the 240. Made some big decision changes over the last week. We got the motor apart in the last video and we're going to bring it to the engine builder, but then we realized the budget would not allow to get everything done the way I wanted it to. And we decided to go, or I decided, who's we? I decided to go with a 6-liter. So we're gonna go with an LQ4 out of a work van. It should be better budget-wise, and they can handle a lot of abuse. So today we're gonna actually go look and see a running work van, see how that goes, and I'm going to be parting out this LS1. So the heads are going to go. I'm going to upgrade to the LS6 intake instead of this LS1. But then we'll still be keeping some of this stuff like alternator, power steering, water pump. Yeah, so change of direction. And today I am going to be focusing on cleaning the engine bay, getting the exhaust out, and the front end out. So that's what you can expect. Out, gonna start power washing everything. Got the exhaust out. Gonna power wash all this crap. Alright, after those time lapses are done, you kind of saw what I was doing, but I got the car all clean again. I got the exhaust out, cleaned that, degreased that, got the rack all cleaned off, so I can take the rack apart and start rebuilding it without having all that grease and grime. So I'm going to clean the garage and kind of start organizing the parts from the old motor and then clearing this wall. I want to get the car all the way to the side so I have more room to actually work on a motor. And yeah, that'll be pretty much today.